everyone, and welcome to the annual leave demonstration. My name is Alison Simmons and I am one of the HR Systems Administrators. The purpose of today's demonstration is to show you how to view and respond to your employees' annual leave. As a trust, we have been asked to start recording annual leave in ESR. This is so we have accurate data as to who is and isn't in work. This is important for workforce planning, rotas and workflow. Please note this demonstration is for managers who don't use eRoster. If your department uses eRoster, then your holidays and your employees' holidays should be inputted on this system and not on ESR. In this session, we will cover workflow notifications, responding to annual leave, delegating notifications when you're absent, and viewing employees' absence. So, workflow notifications are notifications that you get when something has been actioned on the system. You probably already know what these are. You also get an email to be prompted to let you know that you have notifications by the email address on the slide. Once you click on the icon for workflow notifications, you will get a list. You will get notifications for when an employee requests annual leave or any other absence. Once you click on the request for annual leave, it will bring up a screen that looks similar to this one. On this screen, it will detail the start date, the end date, and the duration. You have then 4 buttons up there at the top right-hand corner. You can approve or reject, which is obviously to approve or reject the annual leave. Once you've clicked on this, the employee will get a notification to let them know that you have done this. You can also reassign the request. So this is if you wish to refer this to a colleague, you can click on reassign. This will come up with a search box. You just need to type in your colleague's surname, click on the magnifying glass and then click on submit. There is also a button for requesting information. So for example, if they've requested special leave, you could ask what it is for. If you click on this button, it just brings up an open Word field, which you can type in your question and then just click submit, and this will be sent back to the employee. You are able to delegate your notifications when you are off. This is good for holidays when you are taking any extended leave. To do this, go to your workflow notifications. Right at the bottom of the list, there will be a link. And it says tip vacation rules, and then just click on that. Bring you to another screen where you need to click on the create a rule box, which will bring you to the next screen, which will have a drop down box and you can select what type of notifications you wish to delegate. Once you've chosen that, it will bring you to this screen where you are able to pick a start date and an end date. Please note that for reassignment, next to the reassignment title, make sure the drop-down box is on all employees and users. Then in the box next to that, click on the little magnifying glass, type the person's name in that you wish to delegate your notifications to, and then click go. Once this has came up with the right person, you can then submit this and the rule will be entered onto the system. You can also view requests and previous absence on your supervisor self-service. You do this in the same way that you would enter sickness or view sickness, which was shown during the supervisor self-service training. Thank you for attending. If you have any questions about this or anything to do with annual leave, please contact us at hr.systems@ncic.nhs.uk.